Hi, I'm Omar Batala from Harvard Union High School. We are here to remind you that when it comes to climate change, something can be done and something must be done. We've all noticed the changes. If we let our global temperature rise only 2 degrees in Celsius, then we will lose entire islands around the world to flood. Even locally, Vermont's economy relies mainly on 2 things: agriculture and tourism, which will both rely heavily on weather and climate. But something can be done. If we look at countries such as Germany, we can see that they are using more renewable energy sources and less fossil fuels, and it actually works. Last year, on a warm, windy day in October, 59% of Germany's power generation came from renewable energy sources. The German example shows just how much progress can be made when politicians and citizens work together. On a more local level, Crossbrook Middle School just recently installed solar panels, which now produce approximately 60% of their electrical use, and other schools are catching on. In fact, my fellow students and I are in the process of encouraging our own high school to install solar panels. If a bunch of high schoolers can take action, so can you. Divestment alone may not be the answer, but it is a very large step towards saving our planet and making a more hospitable climate for those who follow us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Eli Lepla. I'm from Harvard Union High School. When it comes to climate change, Vermont has an obligation to lead. My name is Eli Lepla, and I care. I care about politics, I care about the planet, and right now, I care about getting you to divest from fossil fuels. I represent a large demographic of involved youth that wants you to know that if you make this decision, we will stand with you, as will the rest of Vermont. You should promote divestment for one simple reason. You can. You, unlike other lawmakers, live in a unique state with strong, progressive, and supportive community. You can make this change without fearing the wrath of your voters. I might understand the inaction of lawmakers in states where many citizens still deny climate change is a problem, but I can't understand why a Vermont lawmaker would not act. You know better, and Vermont knows better. You have the power to do this, and with great power comes great responsibility, the responsibility to make a difference. Vermont is a special place, and I know that what would be worse than seeing that special place fall victim to climate change would be knowing that we could have done something about it, and we didn't. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Corey Delsler from Harvard Union High School. Divestment is an opportunity. I'm here to tell you how the choices you make not only affect my kids and grandkids, but how it can positively affect our communities right now. Some of you may feel that divesting from oil companies will reduce opportunities for profit. However, the opposite could also be true. Investments in oil companies can actually be very unpredictable. If you look at companies like BP's stock value after a catastrophic oil spill, it dropped significantly. Divestment is an opportunity for investment. Please take our state pension investments out of multinational destructive fossil fuel companies and invest it in our great state of Vermont. When I watch our local news, I'd love to see our money being invested in local, socially responsible, and very successful companies such as Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, Northfield Savings Bank, or Seventh Generation. I am politically active, I care, and I want to see change.